Pating Reviews presents the Alienware AW2723DF, a 27-inch gaming monitor review. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this exact same monitor, there's Amazon links below this video for USA, Canada, and the UK. If you're looking for a super high-end gaming monitor, then I highly recommend that you check out this Alienware AW2723DF. It's a 27-inch gaming monitor that's a 2560 by 1440 resolution and 240 Hz display. This is absolutely amazing. It is super quick, stutter-free, tear-free, great viewing angles, and vivid colors. Playing all the AAA games or watching 4K YouTube on this monitor is fantastic. This is a super high-end gaming monitor, so if you're looking at a top-of-the-line gaming monitor that's gonna give you everything you need, like I said, 4K, 8K, all your AAA games at the highest speeds with a high-end gaming computer, this is the monitor for you. It's made by Alienware, a brand I'm very familiar with. I've bought a couple of their PCs in the past and I love this brand in Alienware, and I think you'll love this monitor. It has height, tilt, swivel, pivot adjustments. It has great viewing angles, vivid colors, no issues with dead pixels, no stuttering or smearing or tearing. It looks great in dark areas in video games or very bright areas in video games. This is a high-end looking monitor and performing monitor. You can see the back of it kind of looks like a spaceship. It's super sleek and cool looking, and it has excellent performance. If you want to get this monitor for yourself at an excellent price, make sure to check out the link below this video to get this monitor for yourself. Here are the specs for this gaming monitor. Experience smooth performance with up to 240 Hz overclocked and 240 Hz native variable refresh rate. Fast IPS panel with lightning fast 1 millisecond gray to gray response time enables lag-free gameplay. The NVIDIA G-Sync compatible certification and VESA adaptive sync certification enables a stutter-free, tear-free, low latency gaming and crystal clear graphics. Dive into vibrant colors across wide viewing angles. See it all on the Infinity Edge screen with an IPS nano color technology that lets you experience dynamic vivid colors. It's VESA display HDR 600 certification as well. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it at the best possible price.